How to redeem codes in Farlight 84. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are playing Farlight 84 and want to redeem a code for free rewards, then first of all launch the Farlight 84 game on your device, and from the lobby page, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu icon at the top left, and from the expanded menu click code. Now you'll see this tab where you need to click on redemption code on the right. In the text box that appears on the screen, go ahead and enter your redemption code. After typing it down, click on OK, and if the code is correct, you'll be able to redeem it right away. If the code is valid, your rewards will be added to your account immediately or sent to your in-game mailbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.